If you have a stiff shoulder, if you have a frozen shoulder, then this video is for you. We have divided this video into 3 parts: beginner, slightly intermediate and slightly ahead of that, advanced. Even if you don't have frozen shoulder, then you can practice this along with me for a mobility and strengthening your shoulder. Make sure that you practice this before any of your workout, and then make sure that you go slow. Listen to your body. If your shoulders are super tight, then you have to go slow. Practice how much ever you can. Doesn't matter how I am practicing, give importance and listen to your body first. So let's get started. Make sure that you stand straight. You can also practice this sitting on a chair or standing. Okay. The first step, we are going to keep our both the hands on the shoulder. This is very common shoulder rotation, but the way you practice makes a lot of difference. So I'll tell you how exactly to practice. Keep your both the hands on the shoulder. So as you exhale, drop your both the elbows down first. Okay, from here down, and get your elbows forward. Your both the elbows should touch each other, and then from here you're going to lift them up. Keep them together as far as possible, and then you're going to lift them all the way up, and then you're going to, from the shoulder, you're going to push both the elbows back and down. Okay, let's start 10 counts. Inhale. Try to go slow. Feel your shoulder and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4. Try to go slow. Even if you can go faster, don't try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10, down. You can already feel your shoulder if you're doing in a right way. Same thing the other side. From here, take your elbows all the way back, open up your chest and get your elbow together and then down. 2, 3, 4, continue, 5, 6, open up your arms, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, let's complete, 10. I can feel my shoulders already. I'm sure you can do that same too. Now, from here, you're going to focus on the shoulder. You're going to move your shoulder up and down. So keep your shoulders down and relaxed before you start. And once you start, you're going to inhale. You're going to lift your shoulder up as much as possible. Don't move your neck. Your shoulders gets closer to the neck. And then you're going to drop it down. Complete down, relax. So don't have the movement with a jerk. So try to keep it peaceful. Inhale up and exhale down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. Last 2, 9, down. And the last one you're going to hold up a few counts. Continue to breathe, don't block your breath. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Okay, now interlock your both the fingers and keep it behind the head. Okay, now you're going to get your both the elbows closer to each other. So when you get your elbows closer, you can round your shoulder and open up your chest. You have to do this actively. You have to be aware of the chest movement along with the shoulder. Now exhale, your elbow, inhale, open up. So try to push your elbows out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, give a pause, 7, 8, 9, the last one, 10. You're going to hold here for 5 counts, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now extend your hands and drop it down. A quick relaxation to the shoulder. Now a hand movement, okay. So lift your both the hands up straight. You're going to lift your shoulder up, down. So when you lift your shoulders up, you're going to tuck your tummy in, and when you drop your shoulders down, you're going to release. So breathe in when you lift up, breathe out when you lift down. So lift your both the hands up first. Be comfortable. You don't have to keep your hands too strict initially. Keep them relaxed as far as possible. Now inhale, tighten your elbows up, lift your hands up, exhale, 2, down. Keep your eyes closed if possible, 3, and down, 4, and down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down. The last one up, 5, 4. Continue to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Going to relax your hands. Okay. Now next one, get your both the hands folded this way. Okay. So from here, first step, you're going to open up your arm, close your arms together, push your elbows back. So drop your neck down and center. Open up, close, 1, down, open, 2, up, down, open. Last 3 more, 3, up, down, open. Fourth one, close, up, down, open. The last one, close, up, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hands and relax. This is more than enough for one session. Try not to put a lot of pressure on the shoulder. Practice into breaks. So today is part 1. Make sure that you practice part 2 tomorrow. Thank you so much.